Welcome to the best picks. The best hair oil is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked elements in maintaining the health, vibrancy, and longevity of your precious hair extensions, transforming them from potentially tangled nuisances into seamlessly integrated, lustrous locks that enhance your natural beauty and confidence with every sway and style. Number 5. Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Hair Oil. Introducing our Rosemary Mint Hair Oil, a powerful blend designed to strengthen your hair from root to tip. It's infused with biotin to promote healthier, longer-looking strands. Say goodbye to frizzy and damaged hair. This oil works to repair and revitalize, leaving your hair smooth and manageable. Experience relief from a dry, itchy scalp. Our formula provides intense moisture and nourishment for a healthier scalp environment. Tired of split ends? This treatment helps to mend and prevent them, promoting a more polished and healthy appearance. Support your hair's growth journey. With consistent use, you'll notice your hair becoming longer, stronger, and visibly healthier. Enriched with strengthening biotin, this hair oil is your secret weapon for achieving your hair goals. It nourishes and fortifies every strand. What we like? This oil is infused with biotin to strengthen your strands and promote healthier, longer hair. It's perfect for those experiencing breakage and looking for a potent growth stimulant. If you desire visibly stronger and longer hair, this is the one for you. What people say. It's only been a month in, but I can already tell it is working. This product comes in a glass jar with a glass dropper and rubber dropper head. The scent is fresh and invigorating, and it feels lightweight but deeply nourishing. Number 4. Olaplex Nº. 7 Bonding Oil. Discover the revolutionary Olaplex Nº. 7 Bonding Oil. This potent formula is designed to transform your hair, leaving it looking and feeling its absolute best. Experience unparalleled shine and smoothness with every application. It effortlessly tames frizz for up to 72 hours, ensuring your style stays flawless. Protect your hair from damaging heat while enhancing its natural vibrancy. This oil is your secret weapon for healthy, radiant color. Whether your hair is coily, curly, straight, or wavy, this versatile oil is perfect for you. It works wonders on all textures. Infused with nourishing ingredients, it visibly smooths and softens your strands. Enjoy touchably soft hair that feels as good as it looks. This convenient 30 ml bottle packs a powerful punch. It's the perfect travel companion for maintaining gorgeous hair on the go. What we like? This innovative formula repairs broken hair bonds, offering superior heat protection for all hair types. It visibly smooths and softens, while enhancing color vibrancy and controlling frizz for up to 72 hours. If you frequently use heat styling tools or have chemically treated hair, this is an essential addition to your routine. What people say. This oil is specifically formulated for extensions, which is a huge plus. It helps to keep the extensions moisturized and prevents them from drying out. I noticed a significant improvement in the shine and manageability of my extensions after using this oil. Number 3. HerStyler Hair Repair Serum. Introducing HerStyler Hair Repair Serum, your solution for frizzy and damaged hair. Achieve a smooth, shiny, and manageable mane with this powerful formula. Enriched with the nourishing power of argan oil, this serum deeply conditions and revitalizes your strands. It works to repair damage and combat frizz effectively. Say goodbye to unruly frizz and hello to brilliant shine. This serum not only tames frizz but also enhances your hair's natural luster, making it look healthier and more vibrant. Whether you're styling or just need a quick refresh, this serum is your go-to. It provides a lightweight finish without weighing your hair down, perfect for daily use. Designed for all hair types, it gently repairs and protects. Experience the difference of healthier, more beautiful hair with every application. This 2 fluid ounces bottle is perfectly sized for your beauty routine, whether at home or on the go. It's the ideal companion for maintaining gorgeous hair. What we like? This serum is designed to repair damaged hair, tame frizz, and add incredible shine. It's a versatile product for both styling and treatment. If you struggle with frizzy, unmanageable hair and are looking for an instant boost in smoothness and gloss, this serum will be your new best friend. What people say. This hair oil is specifically formulated for extensions, helping to keep them hydrated and prevent tangling. It absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue, which is great for maintaining the natural look of the extensions. The oil helps to add shine and smoothness to the extensions, making them look healthier and more vibrant. Number 2. Live Fresh Organic Castor Oil Lash Serum. Discover the power of pure organic castor oil. Our potent formula is designed to nourish your lashes and brows, promoting natural growth for a more dramatic look. Experience the benefits of 100% pure, cold-pressed castor oil. It's hexane-free, ensuring you get the highest quality ingredients for your beauty routine. This versatile serum works wonders on both your eyelashes and eyebrows. Give them the nourishment they need to appear thicker and healthier. Our carefully crafted formula is gentle yet effective. You can trust it to enhance your natural beauty without harsh chemicals. This set includes a generous 2-ounce glass bottle of our premium oil, plus a convenient filled mascara tube for easy application. Get ready to transform your look. What we like. This product is 100% pure, cold-pressed castor oil, hexane-free, and specifically formulated for lash and brow growth. It comes with a convenient mascara tube for easy application. If you're looking to enhance the thickness and length of your lashes and brows naturally, this serum is an excellent choice. What people say. This oil is specifically formulated for hair extensions, ensuring it nourishes and strengthens them without causing damage. It helps to detangle the extensions, making them easier to manage and style. The lightweight formula absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue on the extensions or natural hair. Number 1. OUAI Hair Oil. Introducing the OUAI Hair Oil, your ultimate solution for achieving smooth, shiny, and healthy-looking hair. This powerful formula is designed to protect your strands from heat damage. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to radiant shine. This hair oil effectively controls frizz, leaving your hair looking sleek and polished all day long. Don't let split ends ruin your look. Our nourishing oil works to smooth and repair them, giving your hair a revitalized appearance. Keep your vibrant hair color looking its best. This formula is safe for color-treated hair, ensuring your shade stays rich and beautiful. We believe in gentle care. That's why this product is free from parabens, phthalates, and sulfates, making it a clean choice for your hair. Conveniently sized at 1.5 fluid ounces, it's perfect for your purse or travel bag. Keep your hair looking flawless wherever you go. What we like. This hair oil provides excellent heat protection, smooths split ends, and adds a beautiful shine without weighing hair down. Its color-safe formula is free from parabens, phthalates, and sulfates. If you need a lightweight oil that shields your hair from heat, tames flyaways, and keeps your color vibrant, this is the perfect option. What people say. The oil is lightweight and doesn't weigh down the extensions. It helps to keep the extensions moisturized and prevents them from drying out. The oil absorbs quickly and leaves no greasy residue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.